Have you ever been watching your favorite show and perhaps it's something related to your profession? So let's say you're watching ER, I'm dating myself, and you're a doctor and you're looking at the things that they're saying and doing, and you're like, that's not it. Or you're a plumber and you're watching a home improvement show, and perhaps you have issue with that. Well, for lawyers, it's no different. And whenever there is a show or a movie that talks about something related to estate planning, it always catches my interest or my attention. Hi, I am Michelle Adams with the Law Office of Michelle Adams. And the other day, I was watching one of my favorite shows. I'll tell you at the end. And they were talking about, of course, not of course, but the topic of estate planning came up. And the son said to his parents, you really need to put some type of plan in place. So right away, I'm like, okay, good. This is great. Well, mistake number one is that the son came in and said, I found this great site online to that will help you draw up your estate plan. All right. I'm biased. I'm not a fan, but depending on the circumstances, it may work for people. But two, this particular family not only owns a home, but they also own a business. And so a lot of times these kind of canned estate planning tools are not going to work if you have a little bit more complexity to your lifestyle. But then three, worst of all, is, and of course, keep in mind this is a comedy, right? So they have to have some levity. But the couple got into an argument about about whether or not they were going to remarry after the spouse died, and that turned into a whole big thing. And as a result, at the end, they said, you know what, we're not going to worry about this estate planning thing. So, of course, that's mistake number three. So I love the fact that they're shining a light on the need to do some estate planning. However, I would love for them to have tied that bow to say, all right, and now we have a plan in place. So the moral of the story is love the sitcoms, enjoy them, laugh about them, but don't get legal advice or estate planning advice in particular from watching them. So my favorite show, one of my favorite shows right now is The Neighborhood, and that was one of the episodes. So take note, make sure that if you have circumstances like own a business, that you're not doing one of the canned do it yourself estate planning. And definitely do not give up. Don't say, this is too hard, this is too tough. That's what the attorney is there for, to help walk you through that process. I hope this helped. Again, I am Michelle Adams with the Law Office of Michelle Adams. And if I can help you in the future, please reach out to me. My website is coloradofamilylegacy.com. Until the next time, take care.